Chick, you know not to grab the boots. Chick. Chick. You know Mom gets really mad at you when you grab the boots. Chick. 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 Don't drag. Okay, guys, that's my dog. She likes to drag it all the way over here. My mom, I have to grab him all the way over here and give it to her when she needs her boots. She already got one. Oh, is that my cat? Oh, kitty. And she already got one in the pile of death. Chick. Bad dog. No more pile of deaths. You make these. Gonna take another one too. Oh wait, I gotta see if my kitty's here. Meow meow. Oh, there she is. I see her. Oh gosh. Oh, Chick. Oh, Chicky. That was a sneak attack right there. Okay, guys. Leave a comment or do anything you want. This disaster. Try to like this video. Leave a comment. Be my subscriber. Bye.